Hi, thanks for being here to watch our video today. This is me channeling my inner Kit Boga. If you don't know who Kit Boga is, he's not my buddy. I don't know him, but I watch all his videos. He's a hilarious scam baiter on YouTube. Go check him out. He's hysterical. But I'm wearing the glasses today. I'm fine. I just didn't have time to put makeup on. And when I video without putting makeup on, I always get questions whether I'm sick or not. So I'm not sick. I'm just wearing my glasses because I have no makeup on. So today's video is a lovely man from our homeless shelter with some tough nails, and you can just tell he's going to feel so much better after we get these nails trimmed off. So it's a typical patient with a lovely attitude, and I hope that you enjoy our video today. Sorry, I don't mean to hurt you.
They hurt anyway. All you gotta do is touch them and they'll hurt.
Ah, I can imagine. Do your feet sweat a lot?
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, when people have a lot of odor in their feet, it's not because you've got bad hygiene or anything. It's for people whose feet sweat a lot. The sweat just interacts with the normal bacteria on your skin, and it can cause that odor. So the best thing you can do is change your socks during the day if you can. Mm-hmm. And just keep dry socks on, and that probably, will help the foot odor problem quite a bit. I'm sorry. Just a big old chunk. There we go. Now, the other thing is, now that we'll have done this once, they'll be much easier to do next time because they won't be nearly so thick. So let's get you back in here for the next time we're here. And if we can keep them from getting quite so thick, it won't hurt as much.
Okay.
We could trim your fingies too if you want. Do you need those trimmed?
Yep.
We'll do that. When she's done with those nippers, I'll do that.
Or you could take, I have a smaller one sitting there. I switched to a big one.
Oh, you already opened one.
Yep.
Good deal. We're going to do two things at once. Can we do that? Some pretty strong nails. Wow. These things they're not as strong as the nippers I'm used to using.
I know, they're...
You're going to be a new man when you leave here. You're going to sleep so well tonight.
That'll be good.
You don't want to have toenails digging into your bedding or anything? than trying to take too big a chunks.
My toes are sore.
Yeah, and that's a big chunk right there.
You know what? It might be sore for a few days now, just a little bit, just because we took off some toenails, but they'll just slowly. Probably you've had so much pressure, there might be like some tenderness under there, like bruising. And
It's
then,
on top.
yeah, but I mean like under here.
Mm-hmm.
It feels like, so now that we're gonna get those thinned down, there won't be that pressure anymore, and then the bruising type feeling will go away. Your shoes are.
Okay, relax your foot for me. There you go.
You got an emery board already for him?
Yeah, they're on the mail stand.
Did you use one for him already?
Oh, did I give one to him? No.
Okay, I'll just use one on the snow toes for anything. Maybe you're really not at 11, maybe you're only a 9. Center treatments at the hospital? No? Do those come from here?
Yeah, that came from here. I went to the hospital a couple of days ago.
But these come from this place? You have to have a bracelet to get in here?
No, I just didn't take it off.
Oh, you didn't take it off when you were, are you doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. That's
Feel
gonna
good.
feel a lot better.